Welcome everybody. Today we've got Lando Calrissian, the man, the myth, the legend, the cape aficionado of all cape aficionados. Of course, he did have a cape when I got together with this little vinyl sheet type cape. I think it seems like he had a cape. Virtually no details on his back. You know, the shirt tucked in, the silk-looking shirt. Got the blouse out there. Actually pretty intricate belt buckle for a Star Wars character, if it'll focus. That's sort of cool. Come on. Focus what I want you to focus on. There they go. Sort of triple, I guess 6 diamonds, but that's pretty cool. Little detail, got the stash. That doesn't really look like Billy D. Williams, but you know, they couldn't have made it like. None of the other characters look like them either, so it's not a surprise. But that's, you know, got his. They obviously put some work into his shirt, making it look fancy and sort of flowing. Got the stash, got the blue pants, and I always liked old Lando. You know, whenever they, you know, tried to save Leia at the end. Empire sort of, you know, he sold him out. So when they tried to save Leia at the end, that sort of brought me back around to him. So I thought, you know, I was sort of, I guess I can appreciate that he was in a no-win situation with Darth Vader there. I'm ambling on about the movies rather than the action figure because, you know, obviously he got some good play because I've worn through him on several places. So I remember him being one of the ones that I really liked. I think, you know, spent a lot of time. My brother had the original Millennium Falcon from the 70s, and by the time these characters came along, I had inherited what was left of it and broke most of it, but it still had the base there. And I loved playing with that thing. But anyways, that's all I got for Lando. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.